Hey boos, it's Nia. Welcome back to me and Nae's channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for tuning back in and rocking out with us. If you're new to our channel, my name is Nia. I share this channel with my twin sister Nae, where we do a little bit of everything. We do beauty videos, hair videos, vlogs, literally everything, y'all. We just show y'all our lives. So this particular video is gonna be a hair tutorial. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I get my hair into a super sleek natural bun. This is like my go-to style when I'm in between styles or when I just need to give my hair a break, let it get some moisture, because my hair is very moisturized. As you can see, this is like my go-to style. Tonight I'm actually going to dinner. I needed something to do with my hair really quickly, so this is like the perfect last minute style. If you have natural hair, you can definitely make natural hair look cute and sleek for dinner. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so I like to start off on freshly co-washed hair. I like to run the conditioner through it just so that it's detangled enough for me to put it into a bun. And then I go ahead and I start making my part wherever I want my part to be. Once I get my part correct, I go ahead and I put some of the Eco Styler gel in the part, and then I go back in with my tail comb just to try to clean the part up as much as I could. Honestly, I don't care for my parts to be 100% perfect, so you know, it's gonna give what it's gonna give. All right, so I feel like my part is pretty much done as it's gonna get. And then I like to literally just take like a slab of Eco Styler gel. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I like to take a slab of Eco Styler gel, rub it in my hands, and literally just like put it on top of my hair. And I decided to do a middle part because, y'all, I do not have much time. It already takes me a good 30 minutes to get my hair into a bun, and I do not have a lot of time to get ready today. I'm going to dinner, so it was just smarter for me to do the middle part opposed to a side part. But I will make a separate video showing you guys how I do a deep side part with like a swoop, but that takes a little bit longer for me to do, and I really just can't spare any extra time today. So as you can see, the top looks pretty good, but underneath here is still really frizzy. So what I like to do is I kind of make parts in between, not kind of, but yeah, I make parts in between. Gonna go in a gracious amount of Eco Styler gel and just add that in, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to this side, just to make it easier for everything to like lay flat. Now if you have a finer texture of hair than mine, you definitely would not need to make parts in your hair. But when your hair is a little more coarse, you do need to kind of add that Eco Styler in there. And you see how now this side is laying a lot more flat now that I have the Eco Styler in between the part, and you can see the difference already. And ignore the little bit of heat damage I have at the top of my head. I got a silk press a few months ago, and yeah, long story, but we're working on that. Okay, but the next thing I like to do, and again, you don't have to do this much gel if you don't want to, but I like to, so my edges, y'all, my edges are kind of crazy, so I like to add Eco Styler right up under here, and this is what's going to help me get that front part of my hair to like lay super sleek. And you don't have to like put a crazy amount of Eco Styler gel, and if you do not like Eco Styler gel, use what you like. Honestly, I'm sure any gel that works good for your hair will have the same effect. This is just what I have always used, and it has always worked for me. I have seen people say that it doesn't work for them, and that totally sucks because it's such an affordable product and it works so well for me, but everyone's hair is different. So all right, so now that we have the front down pat, you can see the back, it still needs some TLC. Gonna go ahead take a nice amount of Eco Styler gel, literally doing the same exact thing. So I'm gonna coat the top of my hair and then finger part in right across the back of my hair. And once I get that up in there, same exact thing, I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna work it through. I also like to keep a spray bottle near me because my hair tends to dry out before I can get the whole ponytail done. And when this happens, I just go ahead and spray the parts of my hair that needs a little more water. But I just find when my hair is a little wetter, it I don't know, it just goes into a ponytail better. But a few people have asked me on my Instagram, whenever I post myself with a slip down bun, they have asked me, you know, how do you get your hair so flat? So that's why I decided to make this video, since I was doing a bun anyway today. I just felt like, okay, I have a little bit of time. Another thing I do like to do, and this is a set that I personally like to do, I do this with all of my buns. If you do not want to do this, you do not have to, but I like to take some of the gel and just put it on the ends of my hair. And I'm going to show you why in a second. I kind of showed what it does already, but I'll show you the main reasoning. But yeah, once your hair is like coated with the Eco Styler, and this is why I like to add this gel to the ends of my hair. You see how it kind of just defines the curl. Once your hair is evenly coated and you've combed the product or brushed the product through your hair, and I'm using a Denman brush. This is a Can-2 Denman brush. I got it from Walmart. So the gel is all up in through my hair. My part is good. I don't even know what time it is, y'all. And like I said, I am on a time crunch. Okay, so now I'm gonna start putting my hair into a ponytail. Now, the main trick to my ponytails is I do my ponytails in 2 sections, y'all. That calls for 2 ponytail holders, okay? When I do my middle part, I like to do one side and the back, and then I do the other side separately. So I'm gonna do the left side and the back of my hair in one part of the ponytail, and then I'm gonna swoop in and add the right side to it. Just because there is no way for me to put the whole back of my hair into a ponytail and the whole front of my hair into a ponytail and everything is going to be sleek and how I want it to look. That is absolutely impossible for me. So I do all of my buns, whether it's a side part, straight to the back, a middle part. I do all of my buns in 2 sections. So as you can see, I was able to get the back pretty flat, and now I'm going to go ahead and start swooping this side over. You don't have to like hold the back or anything like that. And I'm literally just brushing it into the back of the hair. Take a little more gel. First of all, brush my little baby hairs down. I think I'm gonna go dramatic with the baby hairs today. Boom. Perfect.
Everybody, Martin, Poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body, let me see you.
And it really just takes a lot of switching back and forth between your Denman brush, your bristle brush, and your tail comb to get it as flat as you would like it. Some people may not need their hair as flat as I like mine, so you don't have to do as much combing and brushing. But, you know, do it to your liking. Just follow these same steps and you'll achieve the same results. We are finally ready to add our first ponytail holder. I got one side of my ponytail down. I actually left a little more baby hair out on this side than I wanted to. So I'm just gonna swoop that down. Now back with my spray bottle, spraying it through really quickly. And this is the fun part because I'm almost finished. Starting from my ends. before anyone attacks me, let me just show y'all. So this is all of this. This is all that is left to swoop. Gonna take some gel, of course. Gonna go over the top again, just because, again, this is the most important part of the bun. Honestly, this is what you're going to see, so you want it to be super perfect.
Because I'm for two, I wanna dance with you, and I'm sophisticated fun. I eat me young, and I'm nice and young. Best believe I'm number one. Don't stop. Everybody get on the floor. Everybody to stop. Don't stop it. Everybody.
Finally, taking the last ponytail holder, and I'm going to connect them.
One, two step. Everybody, 1, 2 step. We about to get it on.
Okay, we're looking like something, and I know y'all probably thinking like, girl, all that work just for this ponytail? Yes, because this is what it takes to get my hair flat. If you got finer hair, or if you have a method that works for you, then you know, do that. But this is what works for me. And again, just detangling this ponytail, running that gel through it, well, working that gel through it, because this is what's gonna make it look, you know, sleekity deekity. Don't ever say that again, Nea. Now we just fixing up imperfections, pretty much. Unfortunately, pulling back that front part of the pony to bring my edges down again. Here come the fun part, the edges. The sun is going down, so if my lighting changes, sorry. And I can't find my edge brush, so unfortunately I had to use this brush, which is a little annoying, but we make do. Okay.
And we will like Jill, make the boys say hello, cause they know I'm rocking the big. I know you heard about a lot of great MCs, but they ain't got nothing on me. Because I'm for two, I wanna dance with you, and I'm sophisticated fun.
Alright, so I am dressed and ready to go. Now it is time for the final reveal. And I tied 2 scarves on my hair, but my camera died, so I couldn't show you guys tying my second scarf. But it's just tied with a knot around the ponytail so that this part right here lays flat.
Crank the party up, we about to get it on. Let me see ya. 1, 2 step, I love it.
Ooh, not sticking. Voila! And here we are, the most perfect. Can y'all see that? Like, it is so perfect. Curlies, pieces right here up, a little something. I take a bobby pin and literally I just wrap my bun around. I usually like to put like a cute clip or something on it if I can, but y'all, I'm in a rush. My Uber is a few minutes away, so this will have to do. But this is the final look of the bun. Let me know if you guys like how it came out. Thanks so so much for tuning in, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to let me know in the comments down below so I can make more videos like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video because I gotta go. Time for dinner. Bye.